Justice don land for Lafia, the Nasarawa state capital, as High Court don sen ten ce 32-year-old Timileyin Ajayi to death by hanging sake of how he killed 24-year-old Corper Salome Adaidu. Ten sion full ground for Nasarawa State High Court for Lafia when Justice Simon Aboki delivered the long-time judgment for the murder case of Timileyin Ajayi. The court find Ajayi guilty, say na him kill and cut Salome Adaidu body, the 24-year-old NYSC Corper wey visit am for him house. For the trial, the prosecution lawyer Barrister Raymond Umaru show plenty evidence. Dem include video recordings, 6 nylon bags wey get body parts, 1 cut-off head, cutlass, knives and the handbag of the dead girl with her personal things. All these things na dem take start the hearing. Justice Aboki tok say the prosecution proved the case wella, say no doubt at all, so he sen ten ced Ajayi to death by hanging. Dem give am 90 days to appeal the judgment. If he no appeal, Ministry of Justice go send the matter go State Governor table to approve am. The prosecution lawyer Barrister Raymond Umaru yarn tori pipo say
to provide circumstantial evidence which actually goes to show what transpired. So the court looked at that and also considered his confessional statement to the police, which is even the legal evidence that we are required to tender. So, and then those are the basis upon which the court made this pronouncement. First, there are sufficient circumstantial evidence that led to the conclusion that he actually killed Mrs. Salome, and also his confessional statement to the police.
For him own side, the defense lawyer Dr. Umaru Yunusa from Legal Aid Council of Nigeria accepts the judgment and talks say everything follow legal process.
The law has taken its course. Because of the peculiar nature of this case and the accelerated hearing it was given by the judiciary, we have no option. We are lawyers, we only assisted the defendant in presenting his case. The duty to decide the case either way is the exclusive prerogative of the court. And that is what my lord has done, analyzing critically the evidence of both parties.
For the family of late Salome Adaidu, today's judgment brings more peace to them hearts.
I was trying to make sure that we get to this point of judgment so that the remaining youth, their life will be safe. Because if we allow this kind of person to continue in the society, it will continue to cause more harm to more living souls. And that is why I am happy that he was sentenced to death by hanging. And also I want to appreciate the state government, the High Court, Lafia, the judge, and all the media houses for all their assistance from the beginning of this case to this time. And also appreciate Nigerians for being there for me, for being against things that is not good.
Now we final judgment don land. The case don mark one big chapter for Nasarawa State criminal justice history, as e don send serious message say violence and impunity no go dey waka free again. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.